In this video, you'll learn how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable online. Start by clicking the New button in Google Drive. Then select File Upload to add your Excel sheet to your drive. Next, choose your file and confirm to upload it. Once the upload is finished, go to your drive and find the uploaded spreadsheet to open it for editing. Click into a cell to start editing, and if prompted, acknowledge any messages to proceed. Now you can select text and choose formatting options like font size, bold, color, or highlight to customize your spreadsheet. With the editing tools, make additional changes, such as bold text, various colors, or cell highlighting, to ensure your Excel file is clear and fully editable in Google Drive. You've now learned how to upload and edit Excel in Google Drive.